Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, ChatGPT, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. Join me as we unravel the workings of ChatGPT and discover how you can harness its power to maximize productivity and create more value in your professional endeavors. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the benefits of ChatGPT, let's understand what it is. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence model that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to text inputs. It has been trained on vast amounts of data, enabling it to understand and generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. One of the key benefits of ChatGPT is its versatility. It can be utilized in various professional settings to save time and enhance productivity. Let's explore some of the ways you can get the most out of ChatGPT in your job. Customer support and service. If you work in customer support or service, ChatGPT can be a game changer. It can assist in handling routine inquiries, providing instant responses to common questions, and freeing up your time to focus on more complex issues. With its ability to understand and generate natural language, ChatGPT can provide a seamless customer experience. Content creation and writing assistance. Content creators and writers can leverage ChatGPT to overcome writer's block and spark creativity. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, refining your writing, or generating content outlines, ChatGPT can provide valuable insights and suggestions, saving you time and ensuring the quality of your work. Research and information gathering. Research can be time-consuming, but ChatGPT can streamline the process. By inputting specific queries, you can receive relevant information and summaries quickly. It can assist you in gathering data, finding credible sources, and even analyzing research findings, making your work more efficient and effective. Decision support and problem solving. ChatGPT's ability to understand complex contexts and generate responses makes it a valuable tool for decision support and problem solving. Whether you need help with strategic planning, data analysis, or troubleshooting, ChatGPT can provide valuable insights and alternative perspectives, helping you make informed decisions. Now, let's see ChatGPT in action. The possibilities with ChatGPT are vast, and it's exciting to witness how this advanced AI technology is transforming the way we work. By utilizing ChatGPT in your professional life, you can save time, enhance productivity, and create more value in your job. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's important to use it as an assistant rather than a replacement for human expertise. It thrives when combined with human judgment and oversight. So, embrace this incredible technology, explore its capabilities, and unlock its full potential in your professional endeavors.